Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I've been on here, but I partnered up with FabFitFun to check out their spring box, and I just wanted to share with you guys all the goodies that came in it. I have wanted to try this for so long, but for some reason just I haven't. I see it all the time on Instagram and Facebook. But anyways, they sent me their spring box, and I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. So for those of you that don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a seasonal subscription service where they send you for $49.99 a season a box chock full of full-size awesome products. So I'm just going to show you guys what came in my spring box. You can go online and pick out the items that you would like to come in your box, or you can have the guys over at FabFitFun curate it for you. So I just had them put together some of their products for me, and luckily some of the things that I was really wanting were in here. So anyways, let's get started. The first product here is this is a Dr. Brandt No More Baggage eye cream, which is awesome. It's just an eye depuffing gel, which I love. I've already been using it. Then this body lotion here by Levito. The smell is so good. What is it? Mandarin orange and bergamot? Bergamot? I don't know how you say that. But awesome. This is definitely one of my faves in here. It's a champagne charcoal scrub. And it's an exfoliant. I've been using it for the past week. And I don't know that I'm supposed to be using it on my face, but I have been. And I've actually really loved the way that my makeup goes on after using this. It's just a really, and I use it on my lips too. It's very salty, but I like it a lot. By Mana Kadar. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm so sorry if I'm not. Then this, another love this leave-in conditioner. I don't know if you can see the name of it. I don't even want to try to pronounce it because I don't know how. But it's a leave-in conditioner, and it's also a heat protectant. So super cool, awesome. I'll obviously always need that. I'm always straightening, curling, doing stuff to my hair. And I guess they're trying to tell me something here that I need to get my fitness on, because I got this awesome jump rope by Venus Williams. So I'm gonna get on that soon. I know, it's a ton of stuff. And if you use my code, you get $10 off, so it's only $39.99. And you get, I mean, look at this, it's amazing. Like, this right here. This is 20 bucks retail, right here. So, this is a swell bottle. So, perfect for taking to the gym. I know my kids are probably gonna steal this, but this is awesome. What else we got? Oh, and then this was definitely one of the things that I saw online that I wanted to come in my box, and I really hoped that it would, and it did. And it's this robe by Show Me Your Moo. And I posted a picture of me in it the other day, but I just love a robe. I love a robe when I'm getting ready. It just makes me feel so much more feminine and sexy. And then this super cute thing. It's a Sunny Life little picnic pack. So it's got this little zippered pouch with forks, spoons, knives, and then you have some little plates here. So super cute. I love it all. And right now, this is the spring box. Right now, if you go to fabfitfun.com and use the code 10STACY in all caps, you can receive $10 off your first order. So yeah, go check them out. It's super, super cool. It's totally worth it. And you can just do it once, or you can do it for every season. And at least go on their website and check out all the different options of items that they have, because it's pretty awesome. Anyways, thanks for checking it out, and let me know if you try anything, or if you have tried any of these products that I have and what you think. I'd love to hear from you. Alright, have a good weekend everyone. Bye.